Hello and welcome to How to Learning and Educational channel. Today I want to describe how to create a Gmail account from an Android system like Samsung, Sony, and etc. Uh, let's start. First of all, we should open the Gmail application, which I have an application by default here. Let's open it. Yes, here we have a welcome in the screen. Welcome to Gmail. This is one application for all of your emails. Um, Gmail lets you get straight to the good stuff by sorting out promotional and social emails. Okay, then here, as you can see on the picture, you can now add all of your email addresses like Outlook, Yahoo, Gmail, and any personal emails this application. And if you want to know more about the Google services or especially Gmail, you can click the below button here. But now we want to create a Gmail account. So let's start. Uh, Click on add an email address here. Okay. Uh, the system asks set up email, which kind of email you have or you want to create. Gmail, Outlook, Hotmail, Live, Yahoo, Exchange and Office, or others. We want to create a Google account. Okay, let's select the first option. We want to create a Google. We want to create a Gmail account. Let's check the information. Yes. Uh, okay. And this step, if you have already the Gmail account, you can write your email and go for the next step. But now we want to create a new Gmail account. So uh, we should click on a create account. Uh, if you want to create an account for your business, here you can click to manage my business for my child, for myself. Let's click for myself because you want to create a personal Gmail. Here you go. You should write your first name. For example, put a name. Uh, John. Last name Mary. Okay, click on the next. Okay, this is a basic information. Enter your birthday and gender. For example, my birthday is in uh, 15 of June 1996. And select your gender, you're female, male. You have 4 options. Uh, we completed this step and click for the next. Yes. Here a system created 2 different names for your Gmail account. You can select one of them, and if you don't like these names, you can create your own Gmail by a different spell. So I think the second option is the best. John8448@gmail.com. Okay, sorry, I selected the second one and next. Okay, one more thing before you go to the next step or skip this screen. it's better to take a screenshot to don't forget the name, because after this step they request you the password. Okay, press on the next. Password, you can create any password you like, but there is some condition. uh, Create a strong password with a mixture of letters, numbers, and symbols. For example, um, they you can write the first you can start from alphabet and then using numbers, and at the end you can use symbols. Here I want to don't show my password here, and click show password. So this is the password. For example, this is an example: ABC ABH 1 2 3. Sorry, ABC 1 2 3, and some kind of symbols. And after that, it's better to take a screenshot. Don't forget that. Okay, click for the next. Oh my god, they didn't accept my password. Please choose a stronger password. Try a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Let's try again. For example, we should use capital letters too. A, B, C. For example, hash, dollar sign. For example, 1 2 3 4 5. This is your new password, and take a screenshot. Okay, and click on the next. Hopefully they accept our password. Yes, and here they requested our phone number. Select your country and write your phone number, but you can skip this step. Escape. Yes, review your account information. You can use this Gmail address to sign letter. It's going to start from here too, and click for the next step. Next. Okay, there is some privacy and terms you should learn before using the Google services. For example, to create a Google account, you will need to agree to the terms of service below. You are also agreeing to the Google Play terms of service to enable discovery and management of applications. If you have time, you can learn all of them. Okay, let's sign in to our created Gmail. Okay, let's open the Gmail, add an email. Google needs to wait for a second. Okay, here we have to see, I think, our screenshot. It was my screenshot. Yes, I think yes. John8448@gmail.com. John8448 448@gmail.com. Okay, let's select the next.